So the question is, if log 2 base 7 is equal to m, then express log 28 to the base 49 in terms of m. So what I'll do is, I'll write log 28 to the base 49 as log. Now I express 49 as 7 square. Now there is an exponent on the base, so I can take this base out. So I can write 1 by 2. So I can take this power out. I can write it as 1 by 2 log 28 to the base 7. Now I can also write this 28 as 7 into 2 is square. Now log m into n is log m plus log n. So I can write it as log 7 base 7 plus log 2 square base 7. Now log a base a, which is 1. So I can write it as 1 by 2. And this is 1 plus. Now here it is log n to the power n. So this n will come out. So I'll write 2. And then log 2 base 7. So now log 2 base 7 is m. So I can express it as 1 plus 2m by 2. So log 28 to the base 49 is 1 plus 2m by 2.